What's up YouTube? It's been a while since I've posted on this channel, so I thought I'd stick the cameras on. It's a glorious sunny day here in Newcastle upon Tyne, and I've got a few jobs to do today, and I thought, yeah, I'll stick the cameras on. Maybe you can come with me. I hope you can hear me. I have to wind the windows down because it's so hot in here. Such a hot day. It's about 26 degrees today, which is quite a rarity here in Newcastle upon Tyne, so we take it while we can get it. But I'm off to do some, well, I'm going to show you some modifications, because today's the day I'm finally going to get the car, the 3.2, up on the ramps and hopefully get some modifications done. These have been like, I probably want to say like about a year and a half in the making. I wanted to keep the car stock and standard for the first kind of year, just to get used to the car, knowing that after that year was up, I kind of got used to the car, and I wanted to start putting my own stamp on it and doing a few modifications and just basically make the car look and feel and drive the way that I want it to and I like it to. So head up to my garage, I'll show you a few things up there. A few of the updates that you won't know about, because I just basically haven't put the cameras on for a long time. So I might have mentioned a few times that I've been trying to, maybe thinking about moving house. Well, our house has now sold, but there is a snag to that, because we've the house that we were going for, the house that we wanted to buy, has actually been sold to somebody else, so we missed out on that one. So we're now in a situation whereby the house is sold, but we don't have anywhere to go to. So we are kind of frantically looking for somewhere. If it doesn't go ahead, it doesn't go ahead. It's as simple as that. We'll stay where we are. But I'm hoping we can find somewhere soon so that we can get the ball moving. It just seems like, I don't know, it seems like it's taking, this whole process takes forever, but I understand nothing like this happens overnight. So I'm going to be lifting the car up on these quick jacks, and it's just a case of putting these chock blocks in and sliding it under and lining it up with the jacking points. And so this is what we use to elevate the jacks. We've got hydraulic fluid in there with a motor, and then we've got just like a button process which sends the car up and down. And then you can see here we've got hydraulic lines. And then, so we've got two connectors here. One goes on one side, one goes on the other side. And then we need to put some power to the unit. I just use like a Knockout Boost Plus unit. Positive, negative, and we'll just turn it on. It's got full battery. Press this button. There we go. And now we should be good to raise the car. So we got the jack connected with the vehicle now. So now what I really need to do is just double check that all the jacking points are well covered by the quick jack and everything looks good, so we can send it up fully. So I have just realized that I've actually put these on the wrong way, because I should have known this, but you see that point right there, that needs to be on the outside. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take it all apart. We've switched everything around, and as you can now see, this outer locking bar is now on the outer edge of the car, and that's fully locked into place. Now, because we'll be keeping the car up for probably a few weeks while I get it all sorted, we can just disconnect these hydraulic lines, put the caps back on, and we'll get all of these wires out the way. The first thing I'm going to show you is the new wheels that we've got. They are actually quite similar to the wheels that we've just taken off. Well, they're exactly the same, to be honest with you, but the sizes are different, and the sizes are what matters. So these are 9-inch wide wheels, whereas the others I think were 7. So these hopefully will sort of stick out a lot more and just fill the arch a little bit more. So we got the fronts and the rears on now, and honestly, they look tiny. They're definitely the right size. They're definitely 16-inch wheels, but I think just given the gap between the arch and the wheel right now, and obviously they've got no tires on, they just look so small. They look absolutely minute, but they are the right size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these off now to the tire shop, get some tires mounted on them. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you may or may not have noticed that I've put a bit of weight on, and so I kind of use these days in the garage to try and get myself sorted out. I've put on about 1.5 stone, and I'm really trying to work on that, trying to watch what I'm eating, and also do weights, do cardio, and I'm sure I'll get back to where I need to be pretty soon. I just need to dedicate a bit of time towards that. So I apologize for this next bit. All right, been about half an hour now, so that's done. To get back to showing you some more modifications on the 3.2. This is just a quick one because I am conscious of the time, but these are all of the diagnostic tools that we need to get packed up and sent out. These are today's order. We've got about an hour and a half until the mail delivery comes to pick all of these up, so we need to get them all packed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one more quick modification on the 3.2, and then that's probably all I'll have time for today. I'll probably have to show you the rest in a different video. To be honest with you, it's kind of like a progressive series, because not all of the modifications will be carried out in like just 1 or 2 videos. It's probably going to take a couple of weeks to get them all done. So this next one, I'll show you this real quick. Replacement LED, kind of like smoked and black headlights, and we've got conversion kits here to take the old connectors and put them into the new style headlights. So first of all, that's the headlight, but obviously what we need to do is we need to get these headlights out first of all. So it's one crosshead screwdriver. I've got to be kind of really precise about this, because the last thing you want to be doing is damaging the screw or any of the paintwork around where the screw is. So that's the one flathead screw out. I'll put that safe to one side. And then this outer kind of shell should just come off. There seems to be some confusion, because everything I read online says that you do not touch these 2 screws, and then once you've got this headlight trim off and once you've taken that single screw out, the whole unit should actually just come out. But no matter how much I try here, like, I can't get anything out. So I don't know if like maybe putting this prizing tool in might help, but I certainly don't want to damage this kind of like a rubber protective seal around it, and I don't want to go damaging that. But I don't know if it's just been on here for so long that it's kind of stuck to the rubber seal. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I say, we do have more modifications on this car. It's just I'm wanting to get through them slowly and surely. I don't want to kind of race through everything. So I've got some work to do now, then I will be back I will be able to get those out. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Might even have the new tires on the wheels by the time we come back for the next video as well. And then in those boxes there, we have got a few other modifications ready to go onto the car, but it's something I'm really enjoying. Like I say, it's been a car that I've wanted for years, but also wanted to modify for definitely sort of over a year. I've just been kind of finding my way with the car, and there's quite a few jobs that I need to work through, not necessarily just modifications, but also like restoration, repairs, and just general upkeep and maintenance of the car, because they are a car that will keep you busy, as opposed to just like a newer say 992 where you can just always rely on it. These are a different kettle of fish. I'm not going to say they're not a turnkey car, because I think in the majority of the time this car has been a turnkey car for me. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.